What's good, everybody? I am back. So we have Mariel Montellano, one of her solo performances during their concert last weekend. No, this is To Love You More. So if I'm not mistaken, this is from Celine Dion, na isa din sa mga sikat na performances na kinanta ni Sarah Geronimo. Who wants to love... Ay, may lamok. Sorry. Who wants to love you more? Tama ba? Baka mali ako. Anyway, this is To Love You More by Mariel Montellano. And shoutout sa lahat ng JML Blues dyan, sa mga JML Natics, no, for waiting. And umpisa pa lang po ito, no, ng pag-react natin ulit sa mga performances ng JML. So stay tuned and hope you guys stick with me and suporta lang po kayo for more videos from JML Blue. So anyway, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video and shoutout nga pala kay Quiz KS, okay? Sa kanya tong video na to, siya yung nag-upload ng video na to, and I hope you don't mind me using the video for a reaction video, okay? Kasi you have a good quality upload, so I hope you don't mind me asking, and do subscribe to Quiz KS for this one, okay? So yeah, I am excited. Let's go.
Take me back into the alongside love. Heal me like you did before. Touch me once again and remember when there was no one that you wanted more.
Naalala ko si Sarah Geronimo, yung atake ni Miss Sarah dito dati, medyo pang contest talaga, no? Talagang there's that modulation na talagang very evident to make her sound bigger, wider, and stronger. Kasi nga, it's a contest, no? Alam naman natin dito sa Pilipinas, kapag contest, dapat ano ka talaga, biritera ka talaga, dapat pambardagulan ka, no? And that's walang problema diyan, okay? And I love that, no? Pero dito kasi, since it's a concert, no, mas naging mas kalmado yung delivery or yung ano tawag dito, yung siguro yung presentation, no, ng kanta or interpretation rather ni Mariel dito, no? It fits her, no? It fits her. The song, it's a very big song. It's a big hit, no? Pero at hindi niya trinay na i-emulate yung kung paano dapat siya kantahin. But what she's doing right now is she's trying to make the song her own, or her own version. It's very sweet, no? Soft, sweet, tender, delicate. Magaling. Ha. Galing no arrangement. I love that. Woo! Naipakita din niya sa atin, no? Naiparinig niya sa atin yung explosiveness, yung power ng boses niya. But as much as I love to hear beats, but Mariel has this very soft tone quality, yung character kasi ng boses niya, it's very sweet, no? Na talagang para kang makakatulog kapag para kang hinihili, no? Ganun ka soft yung boses niya.
I'm the one who wants to love you. Yeah, to love you.
Di pa pala tapos. And gusto ko yung mga alterations dito sa performance na to, no? Hindi talaga nila talagang kinopy lang yung arrangement or the common arrangement of the song, pero nilagyan nila ng kanilang bali, no? That's good. Hindi lang sa pagkanta but as a band, yung arrangement talaga ng song na to. Grabe. Amazing, Mariel. Woo! Parang winning performance sa isang sa tawag ng tanghalan na solo. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I love the bali. I love the alteration sa arrangement na to, no? I think na in-arrange nila para ma-showcase ni Mariel din yung versatility ng boses niya, yung athleticism ng boses niya. Because, sa kanila kasi dalawa ni JM, no? Parang mas napapansin yung power ni JM. And si Mariel yung soft-toned, no? Ganun naman talaga, 'di ba? Kahit ako, yun yung first impression ko sa kanila. Si JM has the much powerful voice over or compared to Mariel, but this one in this performance na ipakita talaga na she can also do belting, no? She can also do runs, no? She can also sustain high notes, and she can also do soft, delicate interpretation and delivery of the song. So, I think dito sa kanta, dito sa performance na to, naipakita yung anong kayang gawin ni Mariel as a singer, no? Definitely, she's a vocal athlete. Yun nga lang, she's more focused on, I mean, mas focus sila ngayon sa duets, no? Duets that would also somehow compromise her individuality, no? Kasi may mga bagay na hindi pwedeng gawin sa duet na ginagawa natin sa solo, no? Hindi ka pwedeng birit ka lang ng birit dyan because you also have to think about your partner, and it's good for her, no? She can do both, solo, duet. She can belt, she can do soft toned quality or sa pagkanta. So amazing, Mariel. Very talented. So, deserve talaga nila yung concert na to. Deserve nilang mapakinggan, no? Maipakita pa lalo sa kanilang mga fans yung anong kaya nang gawin. Kasi, up until now, may mga doubters pa rin, diba? But, ganun naman talaga dapat. We cannot please everybody, no? And I hope na, meron pa tong kasunod na concert, no? And, hopefully, pag pumunta sila dito sa Cagayan de Oro City, dito sa amin, as long as I don't have any important na matter to attend to, I will definitely watch them live. So, yeah. Amazing. So, i-comment nyo sa baba kung ano yung mga gusto nyong i-react ko from JM naman tayo, no? Isang solo. Kasi nakita ko na yung video. Hindi ko pinanood pero nakita ko na yung isang video dito din from Kuis KS, no? Na nag-upload siya ng duet, no? Yung Now and Forever at saka yung isa pa. So, we're going to react to that. But let's react to JM first. So, mag-comment kayo ng link sa baba, okay? Para hindi na ako mahirapang maghanap pa. So, please please do comment down below. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.